Okay, here is a video on multiplying square roots together whenever you have numbers on the outside of the radicals. So it's kind of like multiplying like terms together. The 2 and the 3 are like terms because they are both outside of the radical. And then the 10 and the 5 are kind of like terms because they are inside of the radical. So you want to multiply the 2 and the 3 together to get 6, and then multiply the 10 and the 5 together to get 50. From there, then you are just going to simplify like you have been doing. So to break apart the 50, I'm going to do 25 and 2. The 25 goes down to 5 and 5, and then I have the 2 left over. So circling my 5s because that's the pair. I'm going to rewrite my 5, and then I'm going to box the 2, and I'm going to put the 2 inside of the radical. But here's that 6 that we've talked about that you can't forget about, so you have to bring the 6 over. So then 6 times 5 ends up being 30 square root of 2. Okay, the next one will be 5 square root 7 times 6 square root 10. Okay, multiplying the 5 and the 6 together, you get 30. Multiplying the 7 and the 10 together, you get 70. Now breaking apart the 70, you get 7 and 10. And then breaking apart the 10 again, you get 5 and 2. Now looking at this one, you don't have any pairs. So all of these numbers, the 7, the 5, and the 2, are going to get boxed. And all 3 of those numbers are going to go back underneath the radical. So you're going to multiply those together, the 7, the 5, and the 2. And you end up getting the square root of 70. And then you just can't forget about that 30. And you get 30 square root of 70. So this problem, once you multiply them together, you actually can't simplify anymore. Okay, the last problem will be 4 square root 20 times 3 square root 6. Multiply the 4 and the 3 together, and you get 12. Multiply the 20 and the 6 together, and you get 120. Breaking apart the 120, I'll do 12 and 10. 12 breaks down to 4 and 3. The 4 breaks down to 2 and 2. 10 breaks down to 2 and 5. So I have my pair of 2s. So I'm going to rewrite my 2. And then the 3, the 2, and the 5 are all getting boxed together because I don't have a pair. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. The 30 will go underneath the radical. And we can't forget about that 12 on the outside. So 12 times 4, or 12 times 2 is 24 square root of 30.